You don't get good at copywriting by reading more books about copywriting. You get good at copywriting by reading good copy and writing copy. And speaking of books, these are the only three books you need to make your first 1K with copywriting. Understand what copywriting actually is. It's not the same as content writing. Just because you write a shit ton of words doesn't mean your copy is good. And stop looking for templates and hacks. Instead, learn the basic principles of human psychology and persuasion, like what makes someone take action, what makes someone buy, and understand that copywriting is not a get rich quick scheme. You actually need to put in the time and effort like any other skill or business. And to improve this skill, you can sign up to email lists of top creators, study their sales pages, read their emails, and do this for at least 30 minutes every day. Make a habit, and you'll start to see patterns of what makes good copy. Also, make a habit of writing every day for at least 30 minutes. I mean, just turn off your phone and all distractions and just write. It's gonna be shit, but you'll improve over time. Your first piece of writing is not gonna be something out of Shakespeare's ass, and that's okay. And if you want to speed up this process, you can get a mentor to give feedback on your copy. You don't need a personal brand to get clients. Just make sure you have a decent profile pic of yourself if you're doing email outreach. And if you're outreaching on Insta, make sure you have 2-3 posts showing that you're a real human being and not a scammer. Focus on the inputs, not the output. If you send 100 quality outreaches, and I mean actual quality outreaches, not some chat GPT shit, then there's no way you won't make 1K.